Blender 4.0 is here, and let's see what is in it for the archviz community. In this scene we have yellow colored lighting. In the real world we don't see the actual lamp having this much saturated colors, so Blender 4.0 has the fix. Under the color management section there is a new wave transform, AGX. Now only the light emitted has the yellow color, but not the light itself. Materials and shaders are drastically improved with Blender 4.0. The PrincipledBSDF shader is more organized and clean. We can expand or hide these sections if we want. And now we can use the sheen value to add a layer of dust to any surface. Sheen value is not just for fuzzy looking clothes anymore. We can use a noise texture for the roughness input. We have a bunch of controls to make this dust layer customized. The change of the PrincipledBSDF node is clearer in the shade editor. Although I'm not a fan of using point lights, the importance of light linking and shadow linking cannot be overlooked. In this scene, we have a sofa, a plant, a surrounding and two lights. With the light selected, go to Object Properties. Expand the shading panel. Click on New under Light Linking. We can add a group of objects here and control which objects are going to receive light from the selected light. For example, I don't want the selected light to affect the sofa and the surrounding. So I can switch off the sofa and the surrounding for this light. We can do the same for this light as well. Similarly, we can control which objects are going to cast shadows due to each light by adding objects under shadow linking. Just remember we are controlling the direct light only, not the bouncing light. And obviously this is in a way breaking the laws of physics, so might not be suitable for photorealistic archviz projects. But this may be suitable when showcasing a product or something. There are updates to modeling as well. Now we can select a point, an edge or a face which is used in snapping. This is the usual snapping. The bottom face of the object is snapping with the plane below. Imagine if we want to snap this face of the object instead of the bottom face. We can press B after pressing G to select the specific face we want. Click on this face. Now the plane and the object would snap on the selected face. Here's something extra. Have you noticed the change of the font? When we are adding a modifier, the interface is a little bit different. We can search for the modifier we want, or we can choose it from this menu. And I cannot overestimate the importance of this Save Incremental option. It saves a copy of our current blend file with a number at the end of the file name with just a single click. Want to know about Blender interior workflow? Watch this video next.